guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty, and in today's video I just want to clean my living room and do a bit of self-care, and later I'll go to Kamukunji to check whether I'm going to get Christmas tree, but I'm not very sure whether I'll get it there. This is the current situation of my living room. It's not all that dirty. I just want to clean some stains in my couch, dust my TV stand, and vacuum my carpet.
Don't know what to do anymore. I'm out of options, nothing's working. I'm out of service. Come help me now, I'm fucking nervous. I'm trying but can't scratch the surface. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I'll lose you if I didn't. Till we find what we're missing and compromise. So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Till we find a single reason not to say goodbye. Oh, if I said what's on my mind, would you stay with me tonight? If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? your mind and on my mind. And I know that right now I'd like to play the part to rebuild you one more time. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. And I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up yesterday. So hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me.
I'm using this Hanan charcoal facial wipes just to wipe my face. This is a facial cleanser from Miss Wendy and it's made of aloe vera, and this is what I'm going to use to cleanse my face.
Hold on to me. Hold on to me.
This is a mask that I'm going to use. It's from Cucumber in Vitamin C. It's a sheet mask and I'm going to stay with it for 15 to 20 minutes.
Please don't wait here until your faith is shaken. There's a whole lot of good on your mind and on my mind. And I know that right now I'd like to play the part to rebuild you one more time. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. And I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up yesterday. So hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me.
Now it's after 15 minutes later. I'm going to remove the sheet and massage the excess in the skin. After this, I'm going to apply my day cream.
Hold on to me.
I found one shop with the Christmas tree and few Christmas decor, but they didn't have everything that I wanted.
To laughing whenever it's a bad day. Music is my band-aid. all the lights. Spent an hour with my memories and then I read.
This is the tree that I got and it's 8 feet at 4,600.
Blind but mentally, yeah. Now my days are brighter, just no longer feeling tighter. Don't wear my PJs every
Thank you guys for watching this video, and kindly subscribe, like and share to your friends, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload any new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Bye, let's meet in the next one.